and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing the new 15-inch Macbook Air M2 chip. I've been wanting to get myself a Macbook Air for years and finally decided to get one. I ordered it from the Apple's official website because they have a student discount going on, and I got this at the discounted price, and I also got a pair of AirPods free with this Mac. Though I paid 1000 rupees extra for the AirPods because I wanted a Magsafe charging case. Otherwise you can get the basic AirPods for free. And you can avail the student discount if you have a valid student ID card. You have to get it verified and you can avail the discount. And it's a limited time offer, so you can check the Apple's website for all the details. I'll mention more about it later, but let's start with the unboxing now. Macbook Air with M2 chip, and I got the color Space Gray. So this has 16GB RAM and 256GB of storage. I almost got settled with the base model of this laptop, which is the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, but I do plan on editing videos and photos on this laptop, and those require heavy duty software, so I need a higher performing laptop because you cannot change the RAM in this machine. So I thought I should at least go for a 16GB RAM, and storage I can extend because I already use external hard drive, so I can extend the storage, but I cannot do anything with the RAM. So I got the 16GB RAM. I had to pay extra for that, but that is okay. That will be like a long-term investment for me. So in the box I also got this documentation. So I got some stickers, and I also got the laptop charger. This is the 70-watt laptop charger. So this is a 70-watt adapter with a single port, which is a C-type port. They also have another adapter option where there is two C-type ports, so you can charge two devices simultaneously. I got the single port one because it's supposed to charge a device at a faster rate. So I got these pair of AirPods free. These are the 3rd generation AirPods, and this comes with the Magsafe charging case. So I had to pay 1000 extra for the Magsafe charging case. But you can also take the AirPods with the lightning charger port, so you don't have to pay anything for that. That's completely free. And this also comes with free engraving. So I got it engraved with my initials. You can enter anything over there. There is a text box option. You can write anything, your name or whatever you like. There are emoji options or numbers and letters options. So you have a variety of options to engrave, which comes for free. So I got it with my initials. So to talk more about this student discount, so you need a valid ID card for that, a student ID card. You can log into the Apple's official website, and in the front page only you'll find that option for student discount. You have to click on it and get verified with Unidays. There is a validation procedure. If you have a valid ID card, you will get accepted. If you don't have a valid ID card, it will get rejected. So you have to provide your ID card, student ID card or any other valid document and get verified, and as soon as you get accepted, then you can avail this discount that I avail on Mac. So there are some of the documents also that they accept. You can go through the instructions. They are very clear instructions, and you can follow it and avail the student discount. So Unidays is an app where you can find a lot of brands with a lot of discounts provided to students. So along with the discounted price, you also get free AirPods with every Mac, and they have discount on iPad also, and you get free Apple Pencil with every iPad and I will mention all these details in the description box below so you can check that out. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.